Hey Cachers, Derek here, Baker 6 Clan. Today I got a person that's got some awesome resources for everything geocache. Stay tuned. Alright, so I am with Nancy. Come on in here, Nancy. I'm with Nancy of the Deadliest Cachers, but you also have something else you do. Now what is that?
Well, I've been in geocaching since 2011.
Right.
And I love the people and I love the sport so much that I wanted to give something back to it. So last year, I spent about a year compiling websites and data and then building a website. And essentially what it is this is what the site looks like. And it has 385 different links that can be that you can go to for geocaches. On the site, you're going to see the apps on it, and there are 25 different categories that you can find items on. It's got loads of information on it. If you go down here over in the corner, any of the local or worldwide challenges that are going on, we always post them there so that it's like one-stop shopping. You can go here and it's going to take you, it's like the beginning of the journey, and you just press a button and it can take you wherever you want.
And that is awesome, because I mean, I was telling somebody asked, what is Geocache Central? And I'm like, all right, so there's so much, think of the world as the bicycle. You are the hub of that bicycle that pulls everybody back together. And that is just really cool. I mean, I love it. I know I'm on it, I know the kids are on it, and it's just really cool. I was really excited when we put that first challenge out, and within like a day or so, it was already up there, and I was just really completely stoked. Like, holy cow, it's already there.
Oh yeah. I love the Nano Kids. I do your challenge every single month. I happen to have won last month, which I'm ecstatic.
Yeah, that was great.
So I'm looking forward to seeing the kids, and they're going to give me my prize.
Yes. We're going to, depending on when this is aired, she's either already got it or we're going to get it later. So, Nancy, thank you so much for doing this and helping us out and being a great resource. And one place you have to go to is Geocaching Central, and you can find everything geocaching there or where to go to get everything geocaching. All right, guys, so if this is the first time you watch Behind the Cache, click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, let me know. Have you found Geocaching Central? If not, the link's down below. Go to Geocaching Central and check it out. Really great stuff. So, and that is this week's story behind the cache, because every cache has a story. And you know what? By going to Geocaching Central, you can help find your next geocache story. All right, click on one of these other videos right over here and check out the story behind the cache.